All right, you guys, grounding energies. Grounding. I see it. Huh? Yeah. I'm working my way up there. Oh, look how beautiful. Grounding energies. How do we get up there? We found the trail again, at least. Can we go? You think we can walk straight up that way and get up there? Let's try.
Probably just be careful about sticks and stuff.
Snakes, all that good stuff. All right, we're going through the woods, y'all. We're grounding. We're connecting with nature. What? I'll be alright. Probably could have did it a safer way, but I didn't. It'll be alright. Huh? It's a lot of workout for Brandy. I'm just saying.
Are you thirsty?
A little bit. Where you want to sit at? Let's keep running.
Right there in the sun.
Huh?
Right there in the sun. Or anywhere in the sun.
Sit right here. All right, you guys. Grounding, finally.
Right here. Yeah.
Can I borrow your ladder again?